So this is the, oh, okay. And even the school, we're talking as we're going to need rooms. They need furniture in these rooms. They have the school. This has been turned into a soccer field, but it's actually a classroom. But there are no seats, no chairs in this one here. I think they use it for soccer, but they also use it for a classroom. And these are the children. Say hello, America. Hello, 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 hello. That's a need. This is the principal here and the pastor. So here we go with the water over there. There's a lot of need in Zambia. And yes. Yes, yes.
Those church members there, most of them, the children
Children come here. Okay.
Benefit, meaning even
Yes.
church members will benefit.
Yes, yes, yes.
Before we had no tent that one.
Yes.
Where this gave us a place to.
Yes. Oh, before. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
When we had the
Yes, yes. Yes.
working, even when we had the problem of fetching water.
Yes.
He assisted us with the drum.
Yes.
So they are helping hand.
And so these are the people that's waiting. Usually the line is much larger than this, but these are the containers they use to get the water in. They have to walk a long way. Normally the women are the ones to come and gather this water. And the water is not too fast either. All these containers must be filled. All must be filled. Here's the ladies here. And the water is kind of slow. Look how slow. Yes. Yes, yes. Hello. I see her at the church. Yeah. The water is not really that fast. It's slow, huh? Take a long time to wait for it. Yeah. Look how slow that water. Look how slow that water is coming out. Again, this is Harrison Hunter from Zambezi, Zambia. A little village. We had to walk about 20 minutes, about almost 2 kilometers to come to this water hole. They call it the borehole. And each one of these containers must be filled. Normally the line is way back. The line is way back there where you see the distance there. And people are coming to church late, they're going to work late, they're going to the fields late because they have to sit around for hours probably for this slow well to fill up all of these yellow and buckets and containers, kind of like gas cans here. And all these people have to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. Okay, so you want to come over there.